Confluence Tutorial for Beginners. In this video, we're going to be talking about Confluence and how you can use this incredible software for yourself, for your work, for your project management, and a whole lot more. We're going to be talking about it in great depth, and we're going to be going through the full extent of the software. So please do make sure to fully watch this video till the end so you can get a good idea on how we're supposed to use this. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. Now, to start things off, what we're going to do is we're going to come over to Atlassian.com. Now, Atlassian is the company that created Confluence. They also created Jira and a lot of other softwares for us. So to start off with Confluence, what we're going to do is we're going to go over to get Confluence for free. Now, Confluence, as we all know, is mainly a project management platform where you can manage all your work and all your roadmaps in one place. So to sign up, you can either sign in with any email you have or any Gmail you have. So I'm going to be signing up with a temp mail, but you can go ahead and use any email that you have. Now, once you sign up with your email, it's going to send in you could say verification code on your email. So we're going to open up our email over here and look at that. There's my verification code. It's 618036. So what we're going to do is we're going to add it right here. And once this is added, we're going to simply verify it. Now the verification process brings us here where it's going to ask us to fully enter our name. So I'm going to enter my name, and then it asks us for a password. So I'm going to go ahead and write up a password for myself and click on continue. Now, once we've done that, it's going to take in to the onboarding, and in the onboarding it's going to ask us to add a site name. So I'm going to just keep a basic site name right now, but you can obviously choose to change it however you like. It's obviously dependent on you. So once we've gone through that, it's going to confirm everything up, and it's going to see if everything is good to go and up to par. And once that is done, it's going to bring us straight into our workspace. So I'm going to skip all the steps that it gives us. Now it's going to ask us choose your first template. So it could be a project planning template, it could be a brainstorming to-do list, or a blank page. So I'm going to start off with a blank page right now. I don't need anything, and I'm going to click on finish. Now once this is done, it creates our Confluence site, and now we've basically created a base for us to work in. Now once this base is fully created, what we're going to want to do from here is we're going to go straight into the working etiquettes, okay? Now, the best part about working with Confluence is that it actually helps you go into the details of your work, okay? So let me show you how we're going to do that. Now, here's a blank page, and this is your main page on Confluence. Now, to start working, you're going to first of all go into your space, okay? So if you want to get Confluence's, 30-day free trial for their premium, you can go ahead and get that. But I'll choose to skip that right now, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over to the spaces section over here. Now, this is basically going to be a space where you're going to start adding all the things you want. So I'm going to go into all content, and you can search any content you want, or you can start adding different contents for yourself. So I'm going to click on create. Now you can either add a page, whiteboard, or smart link. I'm going to go ahead and add a page for myself. And in this page, what you can do is you can actually go ahead and write anything you want, any piece of material, any article you want, all can be written over here. Or moreover, what you can do is in spaces, you can create different types of blogs and different types of working mechanics for yourself, okay? So these are the different things. Then you can also go and create more spaces for yourself. So each space could be for different categories and niches. For example, one could be for your sales, one could be for your CRM, whatever you want. It's all doable in Confluence. Now, if you're having a hard time creating different things for yourself, and if, you can't really get a good, startup for yourself, what you can do is you can actually use the templates that Confluence provides you. So let's say I want to go with a one-on-one meeting template. I'm going to click on use, and what it does is it creates this whole one-on-one meeting look and identity over here. You can give this page a title for yourself, and down here's the template. So you have date, time, participants, location, you have all the goals in progress, important topics, and then actual check marks. And once you've created a proper template, you can simply click on publish, and that fully ends your template, okay? So this will basically create a page for you. You can publish this page off to your workspace and actually let other people get a good idea of how they're supposed to work in this. So this is basically how you're going to be creating pages. Now, once a page is created, how will you actually add members into it? So for adding members to the pages, you're going to need to add them to the workspace. And once you add them to the workspace, they can automatically check the pages out. So to add them to the workspace, what you're going to do is you are actually going to go to your spaces overview. And over here, you're going to click on share. You're going to either add a name or you can add an email. And once you've done that, you're going to click on share, or you can simply copy a link and send it to them. So what this will do is it will help them join your workspace, and once they join your workspace, they can actually go through all the things and pages and whiteboards, blogs, items that you've added, and they can use it pretty efficiently for themselves. Now moving on, blogs are also a big game changer in Confluence because blogs help you actually describe the work you do. So you can go through all your working and all your steps in a blog and let people know how the blog work is actually done. And trust me, it's so simple and easy to create a blog with Confluence's, basic working features because again, it allows you to change your workings with a template. So if I were to go to my blog section, it's going to show me a lot of templates to work with. So here in blogs, once we're over here, you're going to click on plus. Once you click on plus, it will actually give you a blog to create. So you can add a blog post title. You can type the relevant text down here, whatever you want. It's all accessible in this section for you to have fun around with. Then moving on, we also have automations. Now, automations are also a huge game changer, and the reason for that is because automations are an automated AI bot that actually does all the work that needs to be done in the background, but you don't really have to do it. You're just going to give the automated bot some steps, and it's going to do it for you. So down here, you can see send an email with an AI-generated summary and action items when a meeting notes page is published. So as you can see, these are steps. These are small widgets that you can actually ask the bot to do, and it's going to do it for you. So there's organization, there's cross-product, there's collaboration, notification, and a whole lot more. So pretty easy and pretty basic standard stuff to get your head around. And it helps you out a lot when it comes to the background workings of your page. And all the workspaces use this because it causes a very seamless and fast workflow where the owner, which is you, doesn't have to individually change the different tasks that the workspace has to do. So once you have gotten along with all of this, this is basically most of the things that are available when it comes to Confluence. One final thing I would like to discuss is the app section. Now, the app section is for integrations. You can also include it with automations because you use other applications to automate your work with Confluence. Like, let's say I could use Slack, and, whenever there is a task change or if there's a work change in Confluence, what will happen is that the automated bot will send a message in some channel in Slack that I give it. So that's basically automations. But you can also use the Calendars app. Now, the Calendars app is for premium users only, and a person on the free plan cannot use it. But the Calendar app helps you out a lot as well because you can incredibly manage your time with this. You can add events on the calendar, and you can actually see the time frames in which the events are occurring. So yeah, this is the basic idea on Confluence, and that is how you're going to be using it for your work and business. Now, if you enjoyed this video, please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, do let me know down in the comments below, and I'll be making a whole lot more for you. Till then, that is all from me, and I will be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.